What's the meaning of accretion? Accretion. 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 Accretion refers to the gradual accumulation of matter or particles over time. This process is commonly observed in astronomy, where the gravitational attraction between particles in space leads to the formation of planets, stars, and galaxies. Accretion can also occur in geological settings, such as the formation of sedimentary rocks from the deposition of minerals. In biology, accretion refers to the accumulation of tissues or organs during growth and development. Overall, accretion describes a slow and steady buildup of material that results in a larger and more complex structure or system.